Hi everybody. I'll try to get through this as quick as possible just because I don't think anybody wants to listen to me for too long. I know I don't want to listen to myself for too long. Um, so here's my HTML. Super simple. Just 4 different containers for the 4 different levels. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in CSS, we've got the main container right here. And it has a border. And if you change the height, it would just make the box itself bigger. Same with the width. That's ugly, it needs to be a square. This margin top just moves it basically up and down. So if I were to, not 1,000. Well, I guess I should show you. 1,000 pixels from the top or 10 pixels from the top. We had 250. All right, and then this was probably the hardest part, was trying to get the radial gradient in the background. So there's a couple different things. I've actually never really worked with this before, but you can change this from a circle to an ellipse, and you can kind of see that it stretched out a little bit, but I'll just keep it out of circle. And I still don't fully understand all of these percentages. They have to do with how big this circle is, and I think also opacity. So you can see that the circle would start farther in, or it showed more of the circle. So, and then like if I change this, then it gets really ugly. Oh goodness, there we go. So the background was definitely the hardest part, and I had to come over here and figure some of it out, and I used this website to help me do that. This developer Mozilla, I guess. So that was helpful. And apparently, well, anyway, okay, so I'll just keep going. So then there's another div inside of the container, which is just this, the Instagram square with rounded corners. And they're all relatively placed. I didn't use another display. I just used the default. And let's see. Oops, that's the wrong one. Up here. And so this is just the height and the width of the box. And then we've got the circle on the inside of that container, and it's relative. And in fact, all of these should be centered based on that. And that's just a circle. You can tell by the radius right there. And then just a tiny circle placed relative to the other circle. So that's the Instagram shape using only CSS. Well, and then that minimal amount of HTML. Super cool.